I need to take that out too. Here's the bottom screws. It's rusted. No. I found the problem. I had a 20 and I had a 27 and nothing in between. So I ended up using the T20 or the size 20, and then look what happened. This is pretty much worn out now. So it was the wrong size. Turns out I had a 25 in here. And that actually works quite well, so I probably messed up that rusted screw because of this and this bit. If this doesn't work, it's gonna be a huge pain to get out. Okay, this does not have enough power. Wait, that was on one. Oh! Oh! That's why you don't use this with torque. Nice! I had a feeling that was going to happen. This is also not meant for impact, but I think it's pretty loose and it should be okay. Nice. That's all we got left. We should probably test this. Okay. This is a two-person job for sure. This thing is heavy. Whew. Right, looking good. Cleanup time. First I want to take this out because I'm sure there's dust under here, and I also want to inspect it for rust because on the other Sprinter there was a ton of rust over here. This is also going to be a lot of fun to clean out. Maybe a pressure wash might work. Maybe I should pressure wash the entire thing. It's pretty cool how this frame is stuck to this panel with just some rubbery caulking and no screws, which is kind of what I was saying that I want to do as well. And it's a good idea to use this rubbery medium because the vibrations won't cause it to break off. So for the flooring, to build a little frame that the insulation will go into, I was thinking of attaching the frame with construction glue. I know that stuff's pretty rigid, so something I need to research is there any flex to construction glue, and is it more rigid in very cold temperatures, in which case it could snap right off, and those are the things I need to look into. Almost no rust inside. I definitely got what I paid for. Let's look over here. Even this is not rust, it's just some sort of brown dirt. Here we go. There is some rust over here. So this I'll need to get rid of. Very minor. Nothing here. Everything else seems pretty good. This little piece here, when I was taking it off, it seemed to have already been broken. So I can probably fix this with some epoxy or crazy glue. I have to look at what would be better for this application. Considering taking this panel off as well to look underneath and clean up as well. So I think that's it for today. I'm going to close up and continue tomorrow.